What's the meaning of Austin? Austin. Austin.
Austin. Austin. Austin is a city in the state of Texas, located in the south-central region of the United States. It is known for its vibrant music and cultural scene, as well as being the home of numerous technology companies. The name, Austin, is derived from Augustine, which means great or majestic. The city is also sometimes referred to as the live music capital of the world, due to its thriving music industry and abundance of live music venues. Overall, Austin is a dynamic and exciting city with a rich history and diverse population.